Hawaii. Ito na yung pinakadahilan. Ito na yung birthday gift ko sa sarili ko. Punta na kami sa saktan. May bahay na kami. Hey, may bahay na tayo para hindi ka masaya. So guys, kapapasok lang namin dito. Tingnan nyo naman yung oras. 4:23. Pero hindi talaga 4:23 ngayon. Yan lang yung nakalagay sa dito sa range. Grabe. Anniversary namin yan ni Robby. Lalang. So, andito na kami sa bahay. Sobrang excited ko talagang i-share to. Ito, kaya di namin natuloy yung Hawaii dahil dito sa bahay. And di din ako bumili ng bag para dito sa bahay. So, sobrang biglaan lang talaga nito. As in, ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. As in, trinay lang namin. And kung makukuha ba namin, di sobrang okay. Kung hindi, okay lang din. And luckily, nakuha namin. And yun nga, ngayon namin nakuha yung susi. Last day of September, di ba, pahuli sa birth month. Yes, so, nagdala kami na itong mga to. Meron kaming bigas. So, meron kaming bigas, meron kaming water, tapos bread. So, sabi nila, yun daw yung para hindi kayo mauubusan ng food habang nandito kayo sa bahay. And then, meron ding asin para it gives flavor to our lives. Yes, and para din daw yung mga spirits. Kinemers. Tawag doon? Matabo yung mga masasamang espiritu. Tapos, meron din, ito din, yung bagong, walis. Ganun din daw yan, para matabo yung mga masasamang espiritu. Tapos, syempre, di namin kakalimutan magdala ng cross para ma-bless ni Papa Jesus yung bahay. Meron din si Mama Mary tsaka si Papa Joseph. Meron din kami coins. $99 to kasi napanood ko sa YouTube sa Feng Shui. Sabi, swerte daw yung $99. Scatter mo to sa sa living area. Yun, scatter mo siya dyan. Scatter na natin ha. Video ka lang dyan. Yes, let's go! Ito, it brings prosperity.
Lutin mo yan, ha? Lutin mo.
Para lang po, record lang. OA ka.
Siyempre masaya.
We literally started from the bottom. May bahay na kami. Nakakaiyak. Naiyak ako. May bahay na kami. Hindi pa kasi nagsisingkin sa akin.
Ayun kang Maria.
Naiyak talaga ako. May bahay na kami. May bahay na kami. Naiyak ako. Naiyak talaga ako. Totoo kasi. Hindi. Alam mo ba kanina wala akong maramdaman nung mga nakaraang araw, di ba? Hindi ako nakakatulog kasi stress na stress ako. Tapos na. Tanga. Kung alam mo lang. Alam mo lang yung stress ko. Dahil ako lahat nagkasikaso ng papeles. Ikaw lahat. Wala kayong ginawa. Pumirma ka lang. Pumirma ka lang. Nakakaiyak na tapos din. Grabe. Nandito kami kasi wala pa kami gamit. Nakaupo kami sa Sego. Ayan. Wait lang. I-vlog ako eh. Nakakaiyak. Hey guys! Welcome to our crib! So, As we enter, it's going to welcome you with an open kitchen and living. So, eto yon. Wala pa kaming gamit. Medyo makalat pa kasi, ayun nga, naglilipat pa lang kami. So, finally, I have my island. May island na ako, guys. Anong pangalan ng island natin? Boracay. So, ito yung living. All we have right now are the curtains. Yan. Gusto ko talaga floor length but apparently, hindi. So, okay lang para madaling mag-vacuum. And then, ayun nga. Ito yung living, ito yung dining. Tapos, excuse. Wait lang guys, may basura. Yan. So, yan, tabi muna dyan mga basura. Tapos, we have our pantry. Yay! Finally! Yan, may pantry na ako. Char, may pantry naman sa apartment. Hindi lang siya mukhang pantry. Char. So, ito, may pantry na kami. Tapos, yan, daming cabinet. And then, sa bahay, kasama na tong range, itong microwave, kasama na din yung ref. Yan. Normally, kasama naman yun, pero yung ref, hindi. So, ito, pero dito sa bahay namin, kasama na siya, included na siya. Tapos, ito pala, water dispenser. Shout out to my sister for sponsoring. Thank you, Jelu, sa water dispenser. Yan. So, meron kaming temporary na, pang dining kasi, yung dining na in-order namin, it's gonna take 2 more months bago ma-deliver. So, sa December siya, hopefully, before Christmas, dumating siya. Hopefully. And then, this way, we have our... Come here, you guys. We have our powder room. It's just a powder room, you see. Yan yung toilet. Tapos, ito. Hey, guys. Ito. Diba? Super plain and simple, pero may plano kaming gawin ni Robbie dyan. By the way, I forgot to show you guys. So, ito pala, dito is yung sliding door going to our backyard. So, it's medyo madilim pa siya. Medyo madilim pa, but this is the backyard. It's not that big, but it's enough. It's okay. Yan. So, kailangan pa namin yan ipa-cement. Hindi kasama yung semento. Pag bumili ka ng bahay, ng backyard, you have to do your own landscape or cement mo lang. Then over here is our storage. Yan, we have a storage down here. Ang ganda nito no pag ginawa mong walk-in pantry. Pwede din naman eh. Pero yan, for now, it's a storage. Then we'll decide if we wanna do a walk-in pantry. Let's see. And then over here, this door leads us to the garage! We have a garage, you guys! Paalang ako. Malinis to, guys! So, this is our garage. I swear to you guys, malinis to. Pag si Robby naglinis, mas malinis pa to sa kaluluwa nyo. Napaka-OC niyan. Imagine, guys. FYI, first purchase dito sa bahay na to. Eto. Ano ba to? FYI, you guys. First purchase namin dito sa bahay. Grabe. Ano ba to? Pressure water pressure. Pang car wash, what the heck? Ayan, si Mr. Car Wash. Pero in fairness, nalinis naman niya yung garage namin ng super linis. Okay. Tapos, eto, hindi to gagawing parking ni JJ. Gusto niya tong gawing man cave niya. So, may pinaplano siya dito and I let him do it. So, siya na bahala doon. Hindi na ako doon. Okay, so let's go to second floor. Let's go, guys. Ito yung second floor. So, yan. Ang taas ng hagdan namin. Itong landing, look at that. So, sobrang taas niya. Ang ganda niyang ayusan. So, over here, pasensya na kayo sa mga kineme. Nadaan kasi nag-aayos talaga kami dito. And then over here, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors. This is the common bathroom. Let's go. We have our mirror over here and the sink. Yan, common bathroom. So yan, may cabinet siya dyan. And then this door is, yan, yung toilet and shower. We have a tub over here. So, tub over here, yan lang. Simple lang siya. And then, oh, by the way guys, this is the one that we bought from CB2. Ito yung shelf na altar. Wala pa yung gusto namin na cross. So, for now, yan na munang maliit na cross ni Roby. And then, here is the first bedroom. So, it's just a normal room. And then, ayan, room lang ito. Plain and simple. And then, you have your closet over here. So, yan. There you go. And then, another room here. It basically looks all the same. So, the room and then there's a closet. The only difference is the third room because it has 2 windows. That's the only difference. So, this is the third room. Kasi ako, kunwari, if I'm going to have a room, gusto ko ng madaming window para sa natural lighting. Gusto ko ng maliwanag. So, may window dito, tapos may window dyan compared to other rooms. 1 window lang. So, ayan, ito. May closet din dito. And then, OMG, you guys. Yay! We have a laundry room! Ito kasama na din to sa bahay. So, before, I was like thinking of going to buy the washer and dryer first kasi yun talaga yung kailangan. But luckily, kasama na siya. So, ayan. Our laundry room. Tapos, plano namin maglagay ng cabinets dyan. And, kineme. Basta. So, ang daming potential nung bahay. So, madami kaming magiging project. Welcome to our bedroom, the masters. Oh, sorry for the puti-puti kasi nilagyan namin binudburan namin ng baking soda para mag-disinfect. So, na-shampoo na namin tapos na vacuum namin baking soda para talagang malinis. Yo. Okay, let's go in. So, this is the masters. As you can see, I so love it because it has 3 windows. So, natural lighting. Though, nilagyan ko ng blackout curtains kasi panggabi kami, so mahirap. But still, natural lighting is the best. Okay, pinapakita niya yung finial. That's the finial, guys. Dahil pinaglaban niya yung finial na yan. Okay. So, what I like about this is, let's check this one out. We have a his and hers closet. Let's check this one first. This is JJ's closet. Wow. Medyo magulo pa, guys. Wow, talaga ba? Ang pangit niyan. Huwag mo nga pakitain si libro. Nakakairita. So, hindi pa siya nakaayos. So, this is JJ's closet. We're planning to, mag-check sa IKEA if pwede namin siyang lagyan ng mga drawers and the cabinets. Ay, ilaw. So, the next one is my closet. Yay! Finally, I have a closet. Guys, mas malaki yung closet ko ng konti. Pinili ko. Doon talaga ako sa kabila, pero nakita ko mas malaki to. Oh, dito ako. Ayan. Okay, bye. Yun lang naman. Nothing special. Saka na yung special part, char. So, the last part that I'll be showing you guys is our master's bathroom. Yay! So, this is the master's bathroom. As you can see, it's just a standing shower, which is okay. It's fine. And then we have a his and hers again. As you can see, ang laki nung bathroom. Pwede nang maging kwarto. Tapos, if you're wondering where the toilet's at, so, here's the toilet. Yan. This is the toilet. Yay! As you can see, it's so plain. Puro as you can see, it's so plain and simple. Pero talagang may nakita ko sa TikTok, talaga gagawin ko yun dito, I swear. So, that is it, guys. That is it for that is it for a house tour, empty house tour. So, next time papakita namin sa inyo kapag may furnitures na kami. So, but for now, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Bye! Napakita ko na sa inyo yung bahay namin and I'm currently still feeling surreal. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na may bahay na kami finally. Actually, hindi ko naman din in-expect na bibili kami ng bahay dito. But then, things change, at may mga decision tayo na nag-iiba. Kasi before gusto ko talaga mag-settle sa Philippines. Of course, born and raised ako sa Pilipinas. So, talagang nasa isip ko, mag-ipon lang ako dito. Tapos, eventually, mag-i-invest ng bahay sa Pilipinas. Tapos, business. Tapos, mas gusto ko doon. But, things changed and ayun, bumili na kami ng bahay. I remember before, grabe yung anxiety ko if nung papunta pa lang si JJ dito kung kakayanin ko ba kasi mag-isa ko lang nag-work. Tapos nag-start kami. As you can see, ito yung picture guys. Yan. Ayan yung picture guys. How we started. We literally started from the bottom. Tapos yun, nagka-work na siya. Medyo mas gumaang na nung nag-start na din mag-work si JJ. Tapos, ayun. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na magkakabahay kami. We've been looking. Nakaka-stress maghanap ng bahay. Kasi, ang hirap palang maghanap ng bahay. Hindi pala siya ganun kadali. Because people were saying if you're first time buyer, it would be easy. But heck no. Grabe yung waitlist. Imagine, the waitlist were like 300. Tapos, paano pag-turn mo na? 'Di ba? Grabe na yung appreciate ng bahay, grabe na yung tinaas ng bahay. Ito, para sa amin talaga to. Dapat dito sa community na to, kukuha kami before, but hindi natuloy, nag-sold out. Then eventually, my friend texted me, Thea, thank you. Tapos sabi niya may available na bahay. So, trinay namin. Kung makukuha namin, okay. Kung hindi namin makukuha, okay lang din. So, hindi talaga para sa amin. Pero, alam mo yun, para talaga sa amin tong bahay na to, feeling ko. Kasi, basta. As in, ano lang siya, like, yung weeks, 1 month lang, nakuha na namin siya. Like, the day na tinext ako ni Thea na may available na bahay dito, trinay namin, tinext ko yung realtor. Tapos, ayun, as in, sunod na, 1 month lang, nag-closing na agad. Tapos, yun, finally may bahay na kami. So, I'm just really happy, I'm surrounded with good people, good supportive people. So, ganun talaga pagka mga mabubuting tao yung nakapaligid sa'yo, mabubuting mga bagay din yung mga mangyayari sa'yo. So, i-manifest mo lang yung mga bagay-bagay na gusto mong mangyayari and dasalan mo lang. I swear to God, it's really going to happen. If it's for you, it's really going to happen. I believe that, may kanya-kanya tayong oras. So, kung hindi pa ngayon, darating din yung oras na para sa'yo. So, ayun, tiwala lang. Trust the process. I swear. So, yun lang naman. So, hope you guys enjoyed my video. Peace out.